What it do, what it do, what it do. Good morning, good morning. We are back. Made it back from the Bahamas. Hey, I'm back, baby. I'm back. Good morning, good morning. Also, just before we get started here, check this deal out. Right now, Take Profit Trader is no activation fee, 30% off. That activation fee, since there's no activation fee, I'm not gonna lie, that's a pretty damn good deal. 30% off. Use the code PW. Take Profit Trader here today. Drop in that hot fire. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Alan, did it catch anything? Are you serious? Did I catch anything? What do you think? I always catch something. What? Come on. Yes, we caught fish. That's what we do. You can see here, last night we had some tuna, little tuna sashimi, had some spicy tuna as well from the tuna that we caught. There's the video of it right there. Look at it. That's one of the big tunas that we got. Slice and dicing, baby. Look at that thing. Oh, look. Wait till you see this piece of meat. Look at this piece of meat. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Fresh tuna for days. Tuna for days. Also, big news, waiting. We're sitting here right now at the BDH, just waiting for the FFF attorney to send over that lawsuit. If you're watching, make sure you got my right address because I want to make sure I get it. I want to receive it. I'm excited. I'm very, very excited, Mr. Scott. Big news this weekend, if you guys haven't heard, both Jay Dunn and Danny Trades no longer a part of Funded Future Network, whatever. No, sorry, not network. Funded Futures family. Funded family. Fuck, I don't even fucking know. FFF. Let's just say it's FFF, basically. So the big news this weekend is that, well, this guy right here is the new owner of FFF. Mr. Mraz, which, wait, is that Danny's dad? Did Danny's dad buy the prop firm that Danny started? I'm so confused. I thought Jay Dunn was the sole owner and CEO of the company, but now supposedly Danny dad's the I don't know. I just can't keep track of all the stuff that's going on out there, man. It's crazy. It's just, oh, there's a tuna. But it's just, I don't understand. So basically, I got this letter or email. I got this email here from FFF's counsel saying that they're putting me on notice, right? Putting me on notice as they are currently planning to file a lawsuit against me on Monday, given my ongoing actions. So I'm excited. I'm very excited. This was my response. I just sent a photo of me wearing Gulf of America hat saying, "Come and take it, Scott. I look forward to your lawsuit. I can't wait to see you in court." So that's how we respond to threats on the internet. Just a good old come and take it. Oh, man. All right. We're getting ready here for market to open up. Who's ready? Anybody? Who's ready? You know I'm ready. You know we ready. We're ready. We stay ready. We stay ready. We stay ready. Right now, Nasdaq chopping around here in this range. We bounced off this 20,040 area down there. And we're just getting ready here, baby. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. Patrick, how do you become so handsome? Well, you know, it's a strict diet. Strict diet of just a strict diet of just winning, basically. Are you scared, PW? Yes. I'm very scared of the email making threats. The best part is the attorney didn't even include his letterhead or anything. I mean, I just felt like it was a very unprofessional letter, you know? But hey, it is what it is. You know, when my attorney sends emails, it says on the bottom, you know, Esquire. You know, it says, you know, I'm a fucking lawyer. It doesn't just say sent from my iPhone. Doesn't just say sent from my iPhone. At least it didn't say sent from Android, because then it would be very bad. All right, looking at the move, man, on Friday. What a move. End of day there on Friday. Anybody get that move on Friday? Anybody? Anybody? Wait, quick update. What happened? So basically, what happened is basically FFF attorney sent me an email saying that neither Danny nor Jacob J. Dunn own FFF. And the fact that the business was under an LLC named after Daniel Mraz does not mean that Daniel Mraz currently owns that LLC or has anything to do with the business. Hold on a second. I mean, just hold on a second, people. Hold on a second. So what you're telling me is that if the LLC is called Daniel Mraz, that doesn't mean, that does not mean that it has anything to do with Daniel Mraz. Because, you know, magically, somebody thought it would just be really good for business to start an LLC that is called Daniel Mraz, because, you know, Daniel Mraz is such a good person that, like, it would be so great to, like, man, you know what I was thinking? I've been thinking a lot about this. I'm like, I really wanted to start a business. Who is a person that I really just think is such a great person that would be a really good name to start a business under? You know, who would that be? I don't know. Let me figure this out. Let me think about it really quickly. Who could possibly be the person that I should have on my name? You know, should it be this guy?
On the trades, and I don't even chart. You know, I just do what I feel I want to do. It's a numbers game. You know, long, short, between 5 seconds, I come out on top because I know and I understand that it's a numbers game. You know, and that's how you're gonna win. That's how you're gonna get on top. You know.
Yep. So. Yep. Clearly, I mean, it's just. Why did I not think about this? Why did I not start a business called Daniel Mraz? Because it's so good, and then, you know, like.
No better time than now to take action, start your funding journey, and become a funded trader. Welcome to the funding. Myself running everything. Right? That's not how things work. You have vendors, you know, you have bank. And for me, being a profit owner was just taking too much time and too much mental capacity. It's less about strategy. You know, sometimes I hop on the trades and I don't even chart. You know, I just do what I feel I want to do. It's a numbers game. You know, long, short, between 5 seconds. You know, how things work. You have vendors. You know, you have bank. And for me, being a profit owner was just taking too much time and too much mental capacity.
I mean, guys, that alone is just fucking comedy. Like, be like, guys, I can no longer run this prop firm because mental capacity. Hey guys, I'm no longer gonna be the CEO because mental capacity. Like, I just love the fact that he points to his brain. Like, guys, my mental. It's my mental. I can no longer work as a prop firm owner, so I got to go back to being a Discord seller because my mental. You know, like, also, and this is the best.
Everything. Right? That's not how things work. You have vendors. You know, you have bank.
Guys, when I was running the company, it wasn't like it was just me. You know, like there's vendors and then there's banks. Banks, people. Banks. You don't understand. You don't understand what it's like to run a business. Nobody understands what it's like. Nobody understands. You know, I wake up in the morning and I have to deal with banks. It's too much mental capacity. There's like every time something gets sold on the website, like the money goes into my bank and then I have to call the bank and be like, did you get the money? It's too much mental. I just can't. Oh, this is the best. I really want to point this out because, again, like I said yesterday on Twitter, how is it that anybody with half a mental brain would have thought that Danny Trades could run a prop firm? This is it's my favorite part of this whole story. You know, it's like back in December, I said anyone who thinks that Danny Trades can run a prop firm, just dead, you know, skull, kind of just like, you'd have to be fucking retarded to think that Danny Trades could run a prop firm. And then the best is that they actually responded saying that, I recall you tried to clown Jay Duns. That didn't go well. Sincerely, a fire people can finally trust. What an amazing quote, you know? Like that's the kind of company that I want to be a part of. You know, I want to be a part of a company that is sincerely just a fire that people can finally trust. You know, it's like, how amazing is this company? It's just so amazing because my favorite part is that Jay Duns says, I'm going to make them eat their words. They're going to look so bad. FFF is going to be so great as usual. And as of right now, both Danny and Jay Dunn have stepped down as owners of FFF. And now Danny's daddy bought the company. Oh, is that what? So what you're telling me is the company was a fraud, and then Danny's dad bought the company, and now it's no longer a joke. Now it's totally, it's a good company, guys. You know why it's a good company? I'll show you exactly why. Because of this. Danny's dad sells Medicare insurance. Daddy sells insurance. He knows how to run a prop firm. He speaks Spanish as well. Like, how amazing. Like, think about that. Danny's daddy is now running. This is what I love the best, is how dumb these motherfuckers are. So at the bottom of his insurance agency, it says website and design marketing by Medicare Marketing 24/7. Wow, Medicare Marketing 24/7? That must be like a very good company, right? Oh, I don't know. Launch your Medicare marketing and sales strategies that secure customers, retention, leads, referrals, and conversions. Oh, so not only is Danny a fucking scammer, but his dad sells Medicare insurance. I am dying right now. I'm fucking dying. This whole story, it just gets better every time these motherfuckers open their mouths. Every time they talk, it just gets better. It can't get any better than this, right? Like, it just can't. It can't get better. It just
paid out. That's what we built. An honest company with trader-friendly rules. The point is that my mental health was taking a toll being a prop firm owner. I've been an entrepreneur for over 8 years now. I built up Team Bull from the ground up. I own a few real estate businesses, and I want to get back to that. It sucks because this industry, I get paid out. That's what we built.
Guys, we built an honest prop firm. We built an honest business that, well, what do you mean? What do you mean it's not honest? Because, wait a second. Wait, did Danny get caught making fake broker statements? All right, that's all I got for today. I just can't with these people. Oh, man. Imagine, we made an honest business. They are so fucking dumb. How fucking retarded can you be? I hope to God that Danny's attorney is watching this right now. I hope to God. I literally hope to God, because I want to go to court so bad. I want to go to court so bad. I am literally rock fucking hard thinking about going to court and absolutely destroying these motherfuckers. I am literally, I'm telling you, I am fucking jacked to the tits right now, to the absolute fucking tits. They have no idea how badly I am just so fucking excited. I'm so fucking excited. I'm jacked right now to the tits. I am jacked. All right, Nasdaq. We're jacked. Big move up here on Friday, end of day. What was that? 500. We closed almost 400 points higher. The overnight right now, we are gapping up here. We got a little bit of resistance there, 21,100 level. And it's time to party. Let's go. Pull up the charts here. This is the 5-minute chart. We got a pivot point right there at the 88s. Pivot point at the 88s for now. And we're getting ready. Getting ready. I'm ready. He's ready to party. Oh. I mean, it's like I've said before, I've had, I don't know, at least 10 cease and desist from attorneys claiming that they're going to sue me for defamation with, you know, multiple companies, multiple people, multiple businesses. And still, until this day, nobody has actually followed through. Do you know why they don't follow through? They just make threats. Because if you go to court for defamation, you have to prove that the person that you're suing for defamation was wrong, like, you know, was telling untrue things, right? Like, that's what you have to prove. You have to prove that the guy who called your company a fraud is lying. And then, you know, it's like, wait, was Danny showing fake broker statements? Wait, did that happen? Oh, wait, the best part is Danny also deleted all of his YouTube live streams. I wonder why. And now FFF's deleting all the videos of Danny on their YouTube as well. But. Exactly. God. And also another word of wisdom to anybody out there that's going to send me a cease and desist. If you're going to send me one, don't do it on a Saturday. You know, because it's just like, how fucking poor are you? You're an attorney and you're working on a Saturday. Like that just, when I get an email from an attorney on a Saturday or a Sunday, I literally just laugh because I'm like, this guy must be poor. He must be broke that he is literally sending emails on a Saturday. Because again, there is nothing, it's the weekend. Like, what are you going to do? You're going to file in court on the weekend? Oh, no, you're not. Nothing's going to happen on the weekend. Business happens Monday through Friday. On the weekend, nothing happens. So everything that is sent on the weekend is absolutely means nothing. God. The best is, yes, if anybody knows how YouTube works, if you delete videos from YouTube, if you get a subpoena, YouTube will then have to give the videos over. So you can delete all the videos on YouTube you want, but unfortunately, a subpoena will get those videos no problem. It will be no problem. The best part is we already have all the proof anyway. All the proof is already out there. I mean, Danny literally is an absolute fucking retard and gave us all of the proof that he's a scam artist. Every single day he tried to post fake broker statements to prove that he wasn't scamming, but while doing that, he also proved that he is scamming. It is literally Inception. A scammer getting caught proving that he's not scamming because he's scamming while proving that he's not scamming. Fucking mind-blowing. It's absolutely mind-blowing when you think about it. You wonder, like, how is somebody so fucking retarded? And again, do you think that Daniel's daddy is any smarter? Do you think that again, like I was just laughing. I was just rolling on the floor fucking laughing. The fact that a Medicare insurance agent thinks that he's going to take down me. A Medicare insurance agent. Again, a Medicare insurance agent is going to take down the largest, the biggest? I don't think so, my friends. I don't think so. I'll sell the Huracan. I'll sell the Huracan. I'll hire the best lawyer in the world for $400,000, and I will absolutely wipe the fucking floor with you, Daniel, and your daddy. So stop sending threats and be about it. If you're going to send a threat, make sure you stand on business, all right? Nasdaq chopping back down, getting stuck there below that pivot point. We got the overnight high, like a little bit of like what is that? I don't know. Do we count this as like, is this 1, 2, 3? You know, like, is this 1, 2, 3? Is this 1, 2, 3? Like, is this resistance? Triple top? Is this a quadruple top now? Daddy, can you sue Patrick Wieland? He keeps talking about me on the internet. Daddy, please. Oh man. Oh man. Oh God. All right. Where's the music? Oh, sorry. I turned the music off because I wanted to laugh. At the retards. How was the Bahamas? Bahamas were good. We caught some fish. We got a video in the process right now, getting edited. We have our new editor over there, full-time editor. So the BDH is filling up slowly but surely. Now we got to get some new traders. I did get confirmation. I got confirmation that Nutty Bar will be back. I think around like the 15th or so. Possibly next week, we're going to have the CEO of Take Profit Trader come in and hang out with us one morning. And like I said earlier, Take Profit Trader has no activation fee going on right now. 30% off. Use the code PW. But yeah, we got people coming. We got stuff happening. We got stuff going. How many miles to the Bahamas? It's like 60 miles to Bimini, and then we were fishing about 150 miles away from Florida. So we'll see. Right now, Nasdaq just kind of breaking out here up to this high, getting stuck, pulling back right now. We got the VWAP down here, 20,980. We obviously have the gap down here, right? This is where we closed on Friday. Big bounce there on Friday. Big bounce. We gapped up here over the weekend, and going into open right now, we do have that big old gap. We've got some 9:45 news. We got some 10 o'clock news here today. It's going to be hot. So what do you mean no activation fee? What I mean is there's no activation fee. So if you pass the evaluation, well, then there's no activation fee. So no activation fee. I don't know if I said it clear enough, but basically there's no activation fee. Right now, looking at the ES as well. ES kind of same thing. We pulled back. We broke back out. We held up at the previous day high, Friday's high that we're holding up at here right now. Kind of the same exact setup as the Nasdaq, but the ES hasn't really gotten back up here to that 6,000 area yet, while the Nasdaq is up there at that overnight high. So we touched into the previous day high here on the Nasdaq. Will that be support and do we go higher? If we look on the bigger time frames where we could go, well, this 21,170, 160 area up there, kind of looking like it could maybe be possible to touch today, maybe. Bobby, once I pass the evaluation on TPT, can you withdraw the next day? You can, if you do the, you know, if you do the thingy, if you hit the profit targets and all that, it is possible to get a payout day one. Susanna, is it a bearish scenario? I don't know if it's bearish. I don't know. That was a big move up into today, Friday. Will we get that continuation here today? Somebody asked about the gap fill from the overnight. Well, we don't really consider the overnight a gap fill because, well, the market has not actually been open. So we don't know for sure, right? Like we haven't had that market open volume yet. We haven't had the actual market moving to know. So this is not considered a gap fill here. We did fill that Sunday night futures gap already, which again is not, you know, not the same as like the Friday close gap versus Monday open gap. Can you play the largest? Maybe in a little bit. Right now we're focused on making some money here today. It's Monday. Let's start the week off strong. Let's start it off strong and see if we can't make some money here today, you know? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make a little bit of money. Just a little bit. Don't need to make a lot of it, just a little bit. A little bit of money every day puts more money in your bank account. Is what I've been told. I don't know for sure, but it's what I have heard. So if you're here to make money, well, welcome. Hit that like button, subscribe button. We do this every day live on YouTube. That's right, live. Ain't nobody doing it like us. That's right. That's right. Whew, went to the gym this morning, got a nice little pump in, little pumpity pump it up, pump it up. And yeah, I'm ready for this market open, baby. We got 8 minutes here. I missed out on that big move power hour on Friday. Anytime I don't trade power hour, obviously the market just is amazing. But yeah, baby, it's time either way. We can't go back in time, but we can focus on what is happening right now. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to focus on the action that's in front of us, try to make some money here. Right now, the Nasdaq getting stuck up there. The reason that I said 160 level is if you look at the hourly chart, we got wick, a lot of wickety wicks there at the 170s, right? Wickety wicks there. So that tuna looked amazing. I like it. I like it. Tuna party. It's a tuna party. Also, I requested my payout from Tradeify. My third payout from Tradeify. So that was cool. Third payout from Tradeify. I should be moved into a live funded account. Should be moving into a live funded account here with Tradeify in the future. So looking forward to that new program they have launching. I think probably next week that'll get rolled out. Maybe we'll have Brett Simba come into the BDH to talk about it. Maybe he can come talk about what the new rules are and all that stuff with Tradeify. So Right now, Nasdaq just stuck up here at this high so far from the overnight. Let's see how she plays. Michael, how do you trade all these prop firms? I asked myself the same question, Michael. I asked myself the same question. It's a little bit of skill and a lot of luck. Or maybe a lot of luck and a lot of skill. I don't know. A little bit of both. Buy low, sell high. I have learned that buying low, selling high, definitely. Right now, Nasdaq stuck there at that pivot point, the overnight high so far. We got the previous day high down there at the 35s. We got the VWAP down here, 20,984s. Let's go. Jayford, another green today. What kind of green? You getting that green? You crazy dog. Why are you so crazy? We are fired up here. We got 5 minutes till market open. Like I said, Take Profit Trader right now is 30% off with no activation fee. The activation fee normally is like $150, I believe, for the 150K account. So it really is a really big discount with no activation fee. So just putting that out there if you're interested. There's something to look at here today. And hopefully, I think possibly next week, we're going to have the CEO, James Sixsmith, come in and hang out, talk about Take Profit Trader. He's been around the industry. He's actually, I think he used to play professional hockey as well. Pretty cool dude. I've met him a few times, had lunch with him. So I'm excited to have him come in next week to talk about Take Profit Trader and just the futures prop firm space and all of that. And then I think like I said, I got Nutty Bar on the schedule for the future as well. Maybe Alpine Trader. We're working on getting a deal with Rips, getting Rips to the BDH. That would be, nobody thought 2025 Rips would be at the BDH, but I like to surprise people. I like to keep people guessing. You never know what you're gonna get. You just never know. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Keep my fans always guessing. Danny might pop up. I doubt it. I highly doubt that. All right. We got 4,000 people watching right now. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, it's free to like. Free to like. Am I looking for longs? I would love to see that VWAP down there. We've got the 20,920 area being Friday's close down there. We're above 21,000 here. We got stuck double top up there at the highs so far. Time to party either way. We got 2 minutes till market opens. We'll be looking for the right opportunity to make some money here today. I don't really have like a good like focus here other than just kind of waiting to see how this is gonna play out. So best plan is normally to just let it do its thing, let the market do its thing here. If it does its thing, then we gonna make some money, right? Both the Nasdaq and the ES kind of looking very similar here. ES pulling back into that previous day high. The Nasdaq previous day high there at the 40s. So I want to see what happens here. ES, Nasdaq work together, go together. The Dow right now also kind of sitting up there, the YM, and we are ready for market open here. Count it down with me. We got news today, by the way, 9:45 news and 10 o'clock news. 9:45 news and 10 o'clock. 9:45 and 10. And my favorite part of the day here, going to the members only chat. Let's go. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, right now, dipping it down, dipping it down. That 35 level, will they find support down there at 35s? Straight down so far, we've got the VWAP down there at the 85s. VWAP down there at the 85s now. Both the ES and the Nasdaq kind of dipping down here so far. VWAP is right down there at the 86s now. Obviously big range, kind of just chopping around this range right now. A good time to stay out of it. Stay out of the range here. Got the ES trying to hold up right now. ES is holding up at that 980 level. Nasdaq holding up there at the 35s. And right now pushing back up. If we get above that 70 level, they should try to rocket it higher from there. Tapping into that 21 EMA again. Seems like the buyers are stepping in there at that Friday previous day high for now. I think break through the 70s here and try to rip straight up to that pivot point there at the 89s again. Looks like it wants to. $89, $88s. Maybe take out that overnight high up there, 21,100 if it keeps going like this. Would be ideal. Okay, there's the 90 push right to the pivot point now. Oh, that looks real nice. That looks real nice. That looks real nice. I don't know. It looks pretty good. It might go all the way. It went all the way. There you go. Through the 70s now, up there into the hundreds. What a move. What a move. What a move. You gotta love it. Took that long from the 59.50s up there to the hundreds now. It's still going higher here now. Good Lord. Up there to the 120s. What a move. What a move. Are you not impressed? Just kidding. WWW's in the chat. There you go. Chris got his 20 points on that 70 break. Well, if you're wondering why we thought that 70 break would make sense, well, we got above these two candles right there at the 21 EMA for that push. Look at the 1 minute chart here. You basically have these highs, these candles, right? For a push, so we break above the 70s We go straight up. We're still going straight up, by the way. What a time. But right up there now to the 2100 or 21,100 area. That was that overnight high resistance that we were watching here live on the YouTube for getting this break. So basically we dipped down. We were holding up at the previous day high at the 40s. Ding, 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 ding. We're holding up there. Bam, we push up, breakout, 21 EMA, and then there's your move. So right now pulling back here into the pivot point right there at the 90s. Be looking for that next possible flag scenario. The 5-minute chart on the ES here looking very bullish as well. The ES trying to push. The ES has not made it above the overnight high yet. And like I said, we have that 9:45 news. We've got 10 o'clock news here today. Let's go. I love seeing the chat winning, winning, winning. Is that first candle considered a trap? Well, I think so. I think so. We knew that that key level there for the Nasdaq was right there, previous day high at the 36s. So that's what I was watching to get that break or try to get that support. Will the buyers step in there, which they ended up stepping in. And right now, just kind of pulling back here again, kind of see if we get a bull flag scenario set up here off of that 21 EMA now, 1-minute chart. We've got that 89 level. We took out that overnight high, so this could be a reversal setup here as well. Just got to see if the buyers are going to step in. You got that 9:45 news and then the 10 o'clock news. Right now, look at this. Already kind of pulling back here. I wouldn't say hard, but pulling back here pretty hard. We're right back down after taking out that overnight high again. Overnight high, people. Look at it. Is it a coincidence? Look. Ding. Dang. We took it out and now reversing straight back down here now. Right down to the 30s again. Travar is up $1,000. Good start to the week. Love to see it. Nice work, Tavar, in the chat right now. Bouncing again off of that 30-40 level here on the Nasdaq. 5-minute chart, wiki. Back up there to the 21 EMA for now. Right now below the 21 EMA there. We got that pivot point there at the 90-80 level. Needs more push. Is this a double bottom before another rip higher, or do we crash down to the VWAP and try to fill this gap? If we lose this support here at the 30s, VWAP definitely be the next level to get to. Right there at that previous day high now. See if we get right there to the VWAP next. Right there to the VWAP coming up. Who would have thought? Pulling back right to the VWAP now, 21,000. This is such a classic play. If you're watching this right now and you're wondering, Patrick, why did it reverse? Well, okay. Take a look here, my friends. Pull up the chart. Look at the hourly chart. Where do we get to? We got right above this high. It was the overnight high. So we took out the overnight high. Momentum. Sellers are sitting there waiting to take out that overnight high. We pull back. Possible gap fill now. Back down there to the 20,920s. The trap. It was a trap, my friends. It's a fucking trap. What you guys need? Oh. The Wi-Fi. The trap is real. 21,100. right there to the VWAP now. If we lose this VWAP support, we'll see if we get a bit of a bear flag. We got the 9:45 news coming out here, 10 o'clock news as well. So we got to ride it out. We're going to ride it out. Just ride. Look at it. Still going lower. Losing that 40 area. Brink. 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 Got the 15-minute range coming up here. That 15-minute candle right now not looking too hot, but I think gap fill when this news comes out makes sense. Gap fill when the news comes out, maybe. Well, I'd say not maybe, but yes. Let's see if it happens. Right now at the VWAP here. Market loves to tap into that VWAP. Just a lot of fun at that VWAP level. We're below that 21,000, below the VWAP here. See if we're gonna sell straight down there when that news comes out. VWAP acting as resistance now. Both the ES and the Nasdaq looking weak. Looking weak here. You can see both the ES and the Nasdaq right there below the VWAP now. We got news here in 4 minutes. News in 4 minutes. What is the gap fill again? That dotted line from the Friday close on the Nasdaq. Dotted line down there is where we closed at on Friday. We got 4 minutes until the 9:45. That 15-minute range closes up here. Milan already got $1,500 in 3 Apex accounts. Chris M, is the stream cutting out? I don't think so. I think just you, my friend. You can try to refresh the page, maybe. Stream cuts out. I don't know what you're talking about. Martin's up $1,700 on his Apex accounts. Damn it. Y'all be making so much money. Y'all gotta stop. You know they're gonna well, I'd say the Apex is gonna send me a cease and desist and be like, stop winning so much, but hey, I don't think they can stop me. JK. All right, now we're stuck below the VWAP here. We got that news coming out, 9:45 news. And then after that, we'll see if we reach down there to the VWAP or not. I mean, down there to the gap fill. Right now, stuck below the VWAP here. The ES right now trying to make a new low. ES is making a new low. Will the Nasdaq follow through the 60s here before this news comes out? ES right now down there at the lows. Nasdaq at the lows. The gap fill just looks too easy here. Right? It just looks too easy. I don't know. Well, I don't know for sure, but like it just looks too easy. Anybody else feel the same way? Is it too obvious? Is it too obvious? 920s here? I feel like it's too obvious, but maybe it's so obvious that it's not obvious. I don't know. It's just numbers, man. Just fucking number. Don't worry about it, people. Just trade the numbers. Don't even look at the chart. Just trade the numbers. That dotted line down there. Dot. We got news coming out here in 1 minute. 1 minute till the news. This market could just go into the poo-poo water real quick. Poo-poo water real quick. Below the VWAP, below the VWAP. Let's see when this news comes out in 30 seconds. If we're going to fill this gap, the overnight low is all the way down here at the 20,885 level, about 100 points lower than where we're at right now. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. They're battling, stuck below the 80s here now. Very tight. This thing's about to crack. About to crack through the 40s. Should put us right down there to the 920s next. Hitting 940s. It's just, I mean, we're 20 points away from that gap fill. Tell me that's not going to happen. Just tell me. I'd be mind blown. Absolutely mind blown. Hey, new subscriber, Joshua Rainey. It's a cool name. Rainey. All right, right now, just stuck here below the VWAP. Market staying alive for now. Again, tapping VWAP. Are we building out a bear flag here? Uh-oh. Nasdaq tapping VWAP here. That 21,000 area as well, acting as resistance here. We've got the 15-minute range coming up there. We got 10 o'clock news here as well. Trouble down here at the lows. Both the ES and the Nasdaq finding some support down here for now. Buyers stepping in for now. Back up 21,000 here once again. All right, all right. We broke below that 15-minute opening range for one little second and then popped right back up. Now I want to see if this is going to be a bear flag. If we get back below that 970 level. Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now stuck here. We lose this 980. See if this bear flag takes us downtown. Watch that 980 level here. 980s. Tapping 980s there. See if we get more selling through there. Just holding up there for now. She wants it. There we go. Trying to go. All right, we are just moments away from that gap fill now down there to the 920s. There's that bear flag playing out perfectly. That 980 break, that's 40 points for anybody that's counting. Put it on the board, 40 points for you. Gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. Market right now holding up here. We got that 10 o'clock news. That 980 break was nice. Shane Windsor, don't fuck it up. You're $130 from a payout. Just relax, my friend. Maybe walk away for a minute, come back. That previous day low is down there at the 840s, 20,840. I don't think that's over. Wait, that's the overnight low. Sorry, 840 overnight low. 20,840 is the overnight low here. We are right there, filling the gap right now. Dotted line, dot, 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 tapping it. We got 9 minutes until the news comes out here at 10 o'clock. O'clock news, 8 minutes. Looking very bearish here. We could just go straight through this level here. Take out that overnight low. Just holding up down there for now. See us break right through the 920s and then just go right down there through the 900s here next. The ES right now is really just kind of bleeding out. ES is bleeding out. ES down there 960s. Filling the gap. The overnight low 948 level. Nasdaq wants to give it up. There's that gap fill, just like we said. Take out that 900 level here next. Be ready for that 10 o'clock news here in 7 minutes. Nasdaq holding up here at the gap fill for now. This news, I guess the market's waiting for the news. The trend is obviously still downtown. We broke the 15-minute range here at the 920s. Well, at the 940s. They lose 900s, it's not good. Testing 900s again. Nine hundreds. 900s. Oh, look at that. Well, you just look at it. It's like it's going down or something. That overnight low 840 area. And then there's a pivot point. Pivot point all the way down there at 20,771s. I think it wants to go lower, people. It just keeps going. Just keeps going here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Down there, 850s now. Looking for that 850 area. Like we said, shorten for this break below the 920s. I'm going to move this stop now to the 897s. We can get some more. I want that 840 level. We tap into the 840s. I'm taking profit here. Do it right there. 842 to take it from the 922s. Oh, buddy. Getting filled. Like we said, taking that short there through the 80s, that 980 earlier, the bear flag playing out perfectly. Ding, ding, ding. Another short here below the low of this candle. Boom, 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 boom. Taking a little bit of profit. And look, it is still going. There's the 840s now. Gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. We got 3 minutes till the news here. Good time to just be patient. If you're wondering, Patrick, but Patrick, what, how'd you know? Guys, again, check this out. 15-minute range, opening range here, right? Here's your 15-minute opening range. This is not fucking rocket science, people. This is not rocket science, right? 15-minute opening range. What happens when we break the 15-minute opening range? Well, look at that. Woo! Right down there to the overnight low. So let's just recap everything that's happened today. We took out the overnight high. We reversed. We then took out the overnight low. We broke the 15-minute opening range. Every single thing. This is all just textbook trading. Textbook. If you want to learn more, buy the course. It's $199. You know, it's $190. Oh, yeah, $199. So, let's go. You're awesome. He took his daily profit before 9 a.m. Hell yeah.
Thanks to your training course, I met my daily goal today before 9 a.m.
You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Hey, thank you. Thanks for watching, you know, supporting the stream. I'm happy. We're good. We're on it. Tavar is up $2,700. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm only up 22,000 here, or yeah, 21,000. Could have done a little bit better. Just one account here with Apex. $21,653. It's pretty good. We had, we did have a little. We got stopped out on one trade, but kept it all in line. Ugh. I'm trying right now. I'm just trying to trade one account right now. Oh my God. Well, anybody get that? Anybody? That was crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Bounced right off that pivot point. I don't want to sit here and toot my own horn, people. I don't want to toot my own horn. I don't want to toot my own horn. No, I don't want to toot it. But I guess, it's okay to toot it sometimes. It's okay to toot it, It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay to toot it. No God. Toot toot. Should we open up the Brokey chat? Let's see how the Brokies did. Let's see how the Brokies did today. All right, Brokey chat. All right, Brokies, let us know how you did. Let's see, chat. Kevin lost a PA. What the fuck, Kevin? Get out of the Brokey chat, bro. All right, we got a poll in the chat. Who made money today? Who made money? Who made money? Who made money? Who made it? Who made it? Who made it? God, nothing I love more than a Mega Money Monday, baby. The best part is we had it all. We had every level drawn out before it got hit. Every level. Well, we got 78% of the chat making money today live on YouTube. Not bad. I only made 21,000 in one account. Only 21. It's tough out here. This guy don't even know. He don't even know what's happening. Look at him. He's in. He's wired in right now. He's fucking wired in. Oh, he's wired. I'm laughing at my editor over there. He don't even know. He don't even know. Look at him. He's over there editing and he don't even know. He's got headphones on, so he don't even know how much money we made. He don't even know. Look at him. He's sitting over there. He got no idea. No idea. Absolutely no idea right now that the #1 day trader on YouTube is literally making money right next to him. He got no idea. He got no idea. Somebody asked me why the one account. The reason for trading the one account right now is I'm getting ready. I'm going to be transferred into the Tradeify account next week for the live account. And then I've been going back and forth about starting up my own brokerage account. So I'm kind of like, I wanted to trade just one account today and, see what I could do. Just trading one account, no bullshit, no like multiple accounts, just one account. Can I make money? People always are like, Patrick only makes money because he trades on copy trading. That's my favorite. People always got to be like, Patrick only makes money because of copy trading. And I'm like, well, I just did it. 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 Can you show the entries and exits live? No, I can't. I can't do it. Can't do it, chat. I can't do it, chat. It's not possible. It's not possible. All right, again, shorting here at the 980s, doing exactly like I said I would. Shorting there at the 980s. That was exactly what I said I would do, right? Cover there at the 937s, 50 points. Here, shorting again to take out this low here. Shorted 922s. Took profit 887. Took profit 842. It went all the way down here to the 760s. So, why not? TS is doing it. Well, that's fine. TS can do it all they want. Everybody, hey, like I said, y'all can do whatever you want. Y'all can do whatever you want. Nobody's forcing you to watch this live stream. Nobody. No one's coming to your house and holding a gun to your head and telling you that you gotta watch this live stream. So. Oh, God. Nasdaq right now down here at the lows. Is this another bear flag? Another bear flag possible. We're looking at the ES over there. ES is over there at the 940s. I mean, the thing is, like, I literally say exactly what I think is going to happen next, and it's all good. I'm totally fine with it. If people don't believe it, if they don't want it, it's totally fine with me. It don't hurt my feelings. It really don't. I don't even know, like, the people in the chat, Patrick, you never tell me when to buy and sell. Okay, that's great. What if I pass take profit second account on the second day? Aldo. I think you just can't have more than 50% of your profit in one day, I believe. Nasdaq holding up here at the overnight low now, 840s. You should get trading with Matt on the BDH. Yeah, we talked about it. He said probably this summertime is better for him. He's having a baby. Well, his wife's having a baby. He's not having a baby, but I mean, how's that work? If someone's wife's having a baby, are they having a baby or just the wife having a baby? I don't know about all that. Scott trades. An awesome video would be your total profit for the month of February from all the payouts. Well, I mean, I can just tell you, Scott. We had a $40,000 Apex payout. We had, I believe, 2 Tradeify payouts. Nasdaq right here in this 850 area, right here at the 850s. Trying to open up my thingy here. All right, well, Nasdaq still going lower. Sorry, Nasdaq dipping again, losing that bear flag here. We lost the 840s. Pivot point down there at the 775s. If they lose the 800 level, that is obviously just not good for anybody. So 10 o'clock right now, 10:10. Listen, brother Pat, listen, God put you here for a damn good reason. You were made for this career. All good, man. Great American youth piece. Pretty good. I like it. 20,800s. Do we sell straight through the 800s here next?
Can I pass an FFN account in one trade?
Can you pass FFN account in one trade? I have no idea. I don't know why you guys ask me these questions. You know, there's all these brokered, all these prop firms have their own customer service. All of these prop firms have their own customer service, by the way. You can ask them questions. Right now, Take Profit Trader is 30% off with no activation fee. This is the best deal that they've had all year. 30% off, no activation fee. That's honestly, it's the cheapest that you can get Take Profit Trader. It's the cheapest. And I'm not saying that just to say it. Use the code PW and you get it. But it's the cheapest. All right, Nasdaq just kind of playing around down here with the bears and the bulls. Big move down this morning. Do we get continuation, or is this now a reversal setup? We put in this higher low now. Putting in this higher low here. Looking at the bigger time frames. Got to see how this plays out. We are obviously below that key level there, 20,920s. That's the problem. You probably know more than the props customer service. Well, I mean, I don't want to talk bad about the customer service people, but probably. I do give them a lot of credit because I would kill myself if I was a customer service rep for a prop firm. Like, I would literally, like, imagine the fucking dumb questions that they get. Like, imagine. Like, you know how bad my chat is? Imagine how bad the customer service is. Like, imagine. Somebody like every day just text, sending an email to Take Profit Trader. Dear Take Profit Trader, I bought an account, but I can't figure out how to log into it. Dear Take Profit Trader, I bought a 50K account on accident and I blew it up. I thought it was a 150K account.
Made 800 on a funded Tradeify.
Dear Take Profit Trader, I just bought an account, but it doesn't work on my computer. I can't figure it out. My computer, the screen is black. How do I make the charts on my screen like Patrick has? I downloaded everything that Patrick has, but I still can't figure out how to make the chart work. Dear Take Profit Trader, I watched Patrick Wieland live on YouTube and I can't understand, when does he buy and when does he sell? Can you please explain? Dear Take Profit Trader, I just bought an account and I don't understand. Why am I not a millionaire yet? Dear Take Profit Trader, my name's Johnny and I bought this account. It says that it's worth $50,000. Can I please just withdraw the $50,000 from the account? Thank you. I would like to just withdraw all of the money. Thank you. You think Apex is going to have a problem with making 21,000 in one account today? You think they're going to be you think the consistency rule is going to be a little issue? You think the consistency rule is going to be a little tricky?
13 days in a row, green S, OBDH.
BDH, baby! Dear Apex, today I made 21,000. Is that a problem? Dear Apex, my name is Patrick, and today I made money. What should I do next?
Attraction.
Nasdaq stuck below this 900 level here. I'm not sure I'm looking for any more trades. I'm pretty happy with 21,000 in one day. I'll take it. We had some really good shorts. We had that breakout at open. I mean, there was some good opportunities to make money today, and I'm happy with it. So right now, Nasdaq just kind of getting stuck there. This is the 10-minute chart.
Perception. Attraction.
Look at that, TJP. My trading has improved so much just from watching your live streams. See, this is what I love. This is what I love. I love that actual adults, like actual people, you know, like actual people, like not fucking retards, but like actual people watch my live stream and they like make money. Isn't that like amazing to think about? Like, I know it sounds crazy, but like it's actually wild that like people actually make money watching my live streams. It's crazy. Because you have two different people, right? You have the fucking this music. You have the people that complain about how I don't tell them when to buy and sell, and then you have the actual adults, you know, the big boys, people that aren't little children that are like, hey, thanks, Patrick, I made $10,000 a day. I'm like, God damn. How is it that one person in the chat made $10,000 watching me, but then somebody else is crying that they made no money because they didn't know when to buy and sell? How does that work? I can't fucking hold your hand, people. This bear flag looking like she wants to go lower, but it's always a little tricky. It's always a little, you know, this is where you can really fuck yourself, because you get a little too aggressive down here at the low of day and you get this like consolidation choppy zone. You know, it's just like it's not a sexy bear flag. Like, it's not sexy. Like, it's like, especially because it already kind of broke down here once and kind of chopped back up. Whereas this bear flag, oh my God, look how sexy that is. Like, this right here is fucking sexy. And why is it sexy? Well, I'll tell you exactly why. Why is this bear flag right here a sexy bear flag? Anybody know? Well, look. Okay, we made this like low, we broke down there, and then we push back up, we run into the VWAP, we run into the 21 EMA, and then look how nicely we just, right straight down there. We had the 15-minute opening range there as well. Everything lined up perfectly. This is a textbook fucking bear flag. Like, put it on the board. Just put it on your fridge. Tell your mom, you know, print it out. I want to print it out. You know, print out this picture, put it on the fridge. If your mom complains about it, be like, Mom, Patrick told me to do it. And then she can email me, all right? If your mom's upset because you printed out this picture and you put it on the fridge, tell her to call me. I will handle it. I'll be like, listen, woman, I'm teaching your son how to make money. What have you ever done for him? What have you ever done for him other than give birth to him? I'm just kidding. We love the moms out there. We love them, especially... Never mind. All right, on to the next. Dot line, the gap fill. We got through the gap fill all the way down here to that pivot point, and I mean, that's sexy. But look at this bear flag. It's just not as sexy, right? You know, it's just not as sexy. You see what I'm saying? Y'all like I want to make sexy money. I want the chart to look sexy. I want it to be like, oh my God, look at this bear flag. It's sexy. Now, does that mean this can't go lower? No, definitely doesn't mean it, but just look at the difference between like the 5-minute chart here. It's a little choppy. It'll probably go lower, but it's just not as clean, not as sexy. I don't want to marry that. I don't want to marry this bear flag, you know, but I wanted to marry that earlier bear flag. I was like, damn, I'll put a ring on that girl. I'm put a ring on that bear flag. That bear flag is going to pay. You know, when I see a setup that I'm like, damn, I want to marry that, because I know it's like I'm marrying it for money, right? Like, someone can hate all they want, but like, hey, if a bear flag looks that good, and it, you know, I'd be like, I'm in. I'm married for money. You know, I'm a gold digger. I'm fine with that. Victoria might be watching this and be like, what the fuck's he talking about? But you know, I'm talking about the bear flag right now. She can't be mad at me for loving a bear flag. She can't. I might get yelled at later tonight, but I guarantee she, you know, at the end of the day, what's she gonna say? I'm tired of you always talking about those beautiful bear flags. Like, just listen, woman. I love them. I love them. I love a good bear flag. Oh, I fucking love them, man. I fucking love them. Whew. The best part, look at him. He has no idea. The editor's got no idea. Look at him. He's just sitting over there. He got no idea. He don't even know. He don't even know there's 5,000 people watching right now. He's just over there editing. What a world. I want that job. I need to get a new job where I just get headphones on and just edit all day. he don't even, look at him. He got no idea. What should we name the new editor? We have a little nickname. Oh, now we heard it. Uh-oh. Now we heard it. We got to get a nickname for the editor in the BDH. BDH editor. He's editing the video from the Bahamas. I filmed all of the Bahamas trip. It was pretty epic. We had stingrays, we had fish, we had the casino. I probably shouldn't admit that we were filming in the casino live on YouTube, but I don't think the Bahamas is going to come in America and arrest me for it. But we definitely got some pretty good footage of me gambling as well. This is the best. So I lost $200. I lost $200. So then I went to the ATM and I got 1,000 out. And what did I do? I went and I put 1,000 down. Cause you know, like if you lose 200, you just gotta get more money out and to get it back. The best part was, I actually ended up making money. But after about 6 hours of gambling, I walked away up $100. I got mad because I was playing blackjack. I was playing 2 hands at a time, and I was just like every blackjack hand playing $100 chips, playing $100 for every hand $100, and I was up to like almost $2,500 or so. And at that point, the security guard comes over and starts fucking with me. Like he's like harassing me, you know. He's like, "What are you doing? Are you filming?" I'm like, "No, I'm not filming." And he's like wanting me to delete the footage and stuff. And at that point, I got upset. I went on tilt. And then I lost everything. Well, I lost it all. And I told myself I wasn't going to go below 1,300 because I basically my cost was 1,200. So it is what it is. See, look at this. This is the best, right? This is what I love about this YouTube or whatever you want to call it. Is look at what we just talked about, right? It's just not sexy. This is just like a perfect zone to just start chopping around, doing stupid shit. And look at that. Like, where did this candle come from? Where did that candle come from? I don't know. I have no idea. Well, I guess maybe it came from this, but kind of broke out through this, I guess. You know, that would make sense, but that's why I don't love it. Bear flag, this is sexy. Give me this all day, baby. I'll take this all day. Right there into the VWAP, right into that resistance, and then whee to the downside. But this, no bueno, no bueno. Took out the Asia low and didn't want to go lower. I mean, hey, look at a genius in the fucking chat. Welcome. Essex Raver. What kind of raves you go? Is that, I guess are you in England? Essex? Is that in England? Let's see how smart I am. Essex? I'm pretty sure it's in England, right? I'm pretty sure. I think. Yes, I was right. I'm so smart. I'm a genius, basically. Pretty much. It's hard to be so beautiful and so smart. And I mean, that was a ripper right there. All those bears just got fucked. Everybody just got fucked. Like everybody that was shorting down there at the lows just got destroyed. And that's exactly why the market did what it did. Just like that breakout there. Everybody chasing the market lower. And then the market, Nasdaq goes, haha, watch this. Uh-oh.
PW. Bought a bunch of DayTrader's accounts with your code. Any idea when copy trading is going to be released?
I believe this month. March is what I've been told. March is the platform update for copy trading. That is what I've heard. I've been told at least. So, well, check out this. Look at these stingrays.
My toes. Get up. Hey, back up.
Back up. Get away from my toes. Don't you know who I am? I'm #1 day trader on YouTube. Don't you know who I am? Back up. Back up. Everybody back up. Relax. Back up. Get back. Hey.
I handle those stingrays, boys. Don't you worry. And then look at this. Look at my skill. 36 years old, and I can still do things that most men have never done in their entire lives. Foiling. It is a skill of... It takes a lot of skill. I don't know what it exactly is skill of, but it's skill. Look at that thing. God, that it right there is peak performance. Peak performance, beer belly and all. Even though I don't drink beer, but that right there, my friends, is peak performance. That body right there, what that body says is, yeah, I could have a six-pack. Like, yeah, I could be skinnier, but like I don't want to be, right? Like that's what that says. That is an example of just like, hey, look at me, but don't look at me. You know what I mean? I'm just saying, just putting that out there for anybody that's watching right now. That is peak male performance. And here are my payouts. So for February, I guess, like, do we call it February or do we call it? Well, this was January. We got a payout. We got a $15,000 payout with Tradeify. And then the 11th of February, we requested another $15,000 payout. I feel like these March payouts, they count as, they're going to count as February because like I couldn't trade the rest of February because I was waiting for the payout, but those should have been basically, that should have been it. So another $15,000 payout here with Tradeify. And like I said, sounds like I'll be getting moved into the live funded account with Tradeify here. We started out with the straight to funded accounts. We're up 156,000. I believe that I don't know exactly how much I'm going to get paid out. I think I'll get paid out around like $50,000 on day one of being in the live account. And then $15,000 from each account. So I'll start out with like a $60,000, $70,000 account. This is why I need Brett to come explain it. All I know is it's happening. Tradeify, they're moving me into a live fund account. It'll be 2 accounts. And then the math, I got to figure. I'm not good at math. All I know is we made some money. So that's the setup right now. Look at the Nasdaq breaking back out to the upside here. You got the VWAP coming up there, 20,952s. It's happening. God, I keep refreshing my email. I have not gotten the lawsuit yet. When is the lawsuit coming? I'm still waiting. It's not there yet. I'm still confused. Why have I not gotten the... Why? Where's the lawsuit at? I'm still waiting. Any day now. Right now, take Profit Trader, 30% off, no activation fee. Also, 80% off with Apex right now. PW, use the code PW for the best deals everywhere in the industry. The deal with Apex ends today. That's right. It ends today. Give us a free code. No, you don't get a free code. Nasdaq back up there to the VWAP for now. 15-minute chart. Nice little reversal off of the lows there. About 100 points from the 850s now back up there to the 950s. Good thing we did not go short down here at the lows, because that would not have been good for anybody. It would not be good. It wouldn't be good. Wow, this thing is ripping right now. Ripping right now. Where's the music? It turned off. No more music allowed. Just kidding. I don't know where it went. Where did the music go? $1 million question. God, I'm so happy that we did not short at the lows. I'm so happy. Like, it couldn't be any happier. Like, best ever, basically. You know what I mean? Like, so nice. So nice. Where'd the music go? Where did it go? Where did it go? All right, Nasdaq right back up there, 21,000s. What a push. Absolutely crazy. If you're wondering, like, kind of look at these candles too, right? We got back above the highs of these candles, and then we just went straight to the fucking moon. So another reason, like I said, it just wasn't a sexy bear flag, right? Just not sexy. Don't love it. I gotta go to the bathroom really quickly. I'm not going anywhere. Hang out for a minute. Hey, look, Top Step they're only down negative $25 today. That's a pretty good day for them. They're only down $25 today. Oh, that's good news for them. That's a good day. Good day for Top Step. Being down only 25. Oh, man. All right, now I'm interested to see what the Nasdaq's gonna do here. All right, what are we gonna I feel like what happens next? You know, what happens next? We're back above. Well, yeah, we're back in the green right now. The Nasdaq went from red to green. We're back above Friday's close. We held up. We pulled back into the middle of this hourly candle there from Friday. Oh, God. I'm going to put my $100 bill back on the camera. There we go.
Patrick, thank you for the inspiration, knowledge, and entertainment.
Thank you for the $5. How about that? Catch me outside. We rich. Right now, the Nasdaq battling the VWAP. Both the ES and the Nasdaq pushed up to the VWAP, got stuck so far. And we got to kind of see, is there more room to the upside here? Right there at the VWAP now. Danny is live with the 100 people watching. Congrats to him. Very happy for him. Right now, the Nasdaq pulling back again, tapping into that dotted line. That's yesterday's close. If you don't know how to get the dotted line on the chart, I'll explain to you really free, really easily. Check this out. Check this out. Go into your go into your your trading view charts. Go to settings, go scales and lines, and then right there, previous day close. Put that on the chart. It's free. You might as well have it on there, you know? So. Future trading with Kellyanne. If it ain't Kellyanne is always somehow pops up. It's impressive. I am impressed, Kellyanne, how you just somehow always just pop up in the conversation. Anything to do with the prop firm space, it's just like somehow Kellyanne her name just pops up in that discussion. You know? Just every time. Why take profit trader? Why not? Maximilian, what's your issue? Nasdaq right now pulling back here. That 840 area is the previous day low. We got a fair value gap right here at the 850s. Hey PW, with your 15-minute opening range, I don't know if you've noticed, but you often get a retest. Yeah? Makes sense. Dude, there's two Maximilians. Holy crap, how is there two of them? How is that possible? How long does it take Profit Trader promo? I'm not sure. $1 million question, but I do know that Apex 80% sale is ending tonight. You got I don't know how many hours is left in the day, but you got some time. Apex right now, 80% off. And then you got your Take Profit Trader, 30% off with no activation fee. That deal right there, it doesn't seem like the best deal ever on paper, but maybe it does sound on paper. It doesn't sound like the best deal ever when it comes to saying it out loud, but if you put the numbers on paper, well, you'll see it's a very good deal. Wow, Nasdaq pulling back here, 920s. Will she go higher? VWAP there at the 950s now. You ever just like wonder? Do y'all just ever wonder? Do you ever just like wake up in the morning and just wonder? You know, do you? Anybody? Y'all just ever wonder? Sometimes I wonder. I'm like, I wonder. Nobody? You guys don't ever wonder? You know, like, how is it? How is it that Patrick Wieland is so fucking good looking and also so good at trading? It's amazing to think about. It's a question that they're going to be asking in history for the next 1,000 years. There will be history books written, and they'll talk about, like, Patrick, how did this guy do what he did? How can one man be so good looking but also so good at life? We'll never know. We will never know, people. I took one more little trade there. 21s up to the 38s. Was thinking we might get a little bit more explosion out of this, but I'll take it right there. You can see on the day right now, up $23,000 in just one account. I know, it's crazy. Like, how did he do it? How could he make 23,000? I think we get a little bull flag breakout continuation here. Only thing that I don't love is that we're right below the VWAP there. We get above that 940 area. We should try to move up here again. They're holding up there. We're going into the 1050 macro as well. Is this a bigger bear flag? I don't know if it's a bigger bear flag. I think you got to play it like this, right? What about this? The idea we had this big hourly candle there on Friday, right? This big hourly candle. We never really we never really retested the mid, you know, that kind of that big breakout candle there on Friday. So I think this really could. This is just kind of us pulling back into that hourly candle there from Friday. All right, we pulled back there. I don't know. I mean, I think she's still got room to push back up here. I mean, 21,000. Try to push back up there makes sense. We're right there at the VWAP now. There's that 950 push. Up there to the 80s. Quick 30 points if it starts to just pop off here. Only thing that I don't like is obviously it's 1040 right now. You're going to get a little bit more chop, a little bit more consolidation around this time of day compared to like 9:30 open, you know? Dude, what is this guy spamming? If you spam a chat, I am not going to answer your questions. I'm like the last person in the entire world that you think that you're going to like get my attention by like spamming the chat, because it's just, you're just going to get banned. So don't try it. All right, we're trying to push through here, 950s. It's got to like go straight up here. Both the Dow, the ES, everything is trying to push higher here. Will the ES go? Right there at the VWAP now. ES trying to get through that 968 level. We get through the ES push. The Nasdaq should go straight up here. Up there to towards that 980s next. All right, right now through the 50s, there's 10 points. She's still pushing up there to the 64s. The low of that candle, 35s. Chris, you just tuned in. How you doing? Bro, I'm putting you in timeout. You're in timeout, Chris. Don't ever show up to my live stream saying you just tuned in. You're getting put in timeout, because that is some real beta mentality. You need to wake up in the morning. The first thing you need to do is fucking turn on the fucking live stream. No matter where you are in the world, no matter what you're doing, you better be here. 9 a.m. We are dropping hot fire every fucking day live on YouTube, people. Oh. Well, there's 20 points from the 950 break. I don't know. Did it work? Was I right? Was I wrong? I don't know. Who knows? Some people are working. Why the fuck would you be working when you can just make money online all day? Just tune into the live stream and you get rich. Just kidding. Obviously not financial advice. Please don't quit your job. Please. God, I gotta stop talking so much. But yeah, there it is. I did not take a trade. I'm already up 23,000 on the day. But like I said, if we break above the 950s, where do we go? Up there to the 980s next. Where do we go? 980s. Are you impressed? Are you not impressed? Do you want a refund? I will be live streaming Power Hour today. Yes. Let's go. Why not? Patrick, where do you get your music at? It's just epidemic trap beats. Angel, has Apex ever denied a payout for you? I mean, to be honest, it would be absolute suicide for them to deny a payout for me. So it's not really fair for me to say that I've never had a payout denied. Maybe it wouldn't be suicide, but like, yeah, I don't know. It wouldn't be good for anybody. Not that I would really be mad at them about it, but like, I follow the rules. I do what I do, you know? So. I obviously have a little bit of a luxury being that I'm Patrick Wieland. You know? It definitely helps. It helps being the biggest, the largest. All right, so like we said, this is kind of that middle of the day. Well, not middle of the day, but like that 10 o'clock, 10:50 time where we get this consolidation, the chop. The high of that candle right there was 82.75. Now just pulling back here again. A little bit of a double top. That 15-minute candle just right back down here now. Holy shit. Yop. He's up $17,000 in a free 300K PA account. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. This guy got a free PA, he got a free account on the live stream, and now he's literally up $3,500. Or he's taking a payout for $3,500. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty fucking epic. Congrats to Yop. Hey, Yop, I think you should send me some money. Just saying, you know, maybe like $300, 10%. You know, I give you a free account, you make money, now you owe me 10%. I'm just saying. Obviously not financial advice. I'm not saying you have to, but like, if you want to, you could. You could, you know, if you want to. Chipotle. Free Chipotle. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here, going into that 1050 algo. I don't know if it's a 1050, it's a 1050 macro, getting closer to the London close. Now, I guess this bear flag right here could be playing out. Now that bigger bear flag could be playing out. The problem with the Nasdaq is just the range of moment or the moves, right? The volatility of the moves. It's very hard to just be like, okay, I'm going to short now. You know, I'm just going to short right here because we're breaking below this bear flag. And then it's like, as soon as you get short, it pops up 30 points. It's just hard. It's very difficult with the Nasdaq to like just jump into a trade when you don't have that momentum. hey, I made money. Can you remove the timeout? Chris, you won. You're out of the timeout. You only got a 5-minute timeout. I only give you a 5-minute timeout if you show up late. But if you do it twice, you're getting kicked out for life.
What is your go-to meal at Chipotle?
My go-to meal at Chipotle, double steak, sour cream, cheese, white rice, no beans, and a little bit of green salsa. How long do you normally wait under payout review? Like 24 hours, maybe? I don't know, pretty quick. Do I hate beans? No, I don't hate beans. They're just kind of a waste of energy for me. They're a plant, you know? If it can't run away from me, I don't want to eat it. I know that sounds like, if you adopt a simple philosophy, right? Here's a simple philosophy. If it can't run away from you, don't eat it. Then you're gonna be like, but Patrick, what about the cheese and the sour cream? Well, like, motherfucker, that cow can run away from me before I steal the cheese and the milk, right? When that cow got milk, I gotta run after it and be like, me, me, me. There goes that cow running across the field. You know, it don't want to get milked, but I'm gonna milk it. I'll milk that cow and make that sour cream, boys, and the cheese. Well, the rice is different because the rice is like, honestly, white rice is the like cleanest, basically like very simple carb. I only get a small scoop of white rice, only a small scoop, like one little scoop, not a whole bowl of white rice. Brown rice is not good for you. And see, again, this is why I don't like trading this types of setups, because look what happens. If you would have shorted that bear flag breakdown right there, then you just get chopped out. I don't like it. It's not my style. No, honestly, people don't understand. Brown rice is actually just a waste of time because your body has to basically break down the brown rice and turn it into white rice. So you might as well just eat fucking white rice. It's a true story. People like, it's funny how ass backwards people's knowledge of like food is. People like, the government in America tells people that eating fake eggs is healthier than eating real eggs. Like, imagine that, being like, guys, eggs are bad for you. You should only eat vegan eggs because the vegan eggs are much better. No, honestly, if you're gonna, if I could only have to eat 2 foods for the rest of my life, only 2 foods, you know, 2 foods, I would eat grass-fed steak and eggs. Grass-fed steak and eggs, that is all you need to survive. That is everything. That is all the nutrients, everything. That's all you need. Brown bread, nope. It's all a joke. Anything, all that whole wheat, all that stuff's a joke. It's all a scam. It is literally all a scam. Why grass-fed compared to regular steak? Well, depends on where you're getting it from, but grass-fed has a lot more nutrients, a lot more vitamins compared to like a cow that only gets fed feed. Cows that only get fed feed aren't going to have as much nutrients, not as much across the board vitamins, but good grass-fed beef, best kind. Also, you got to think, a cow has 4 stomachs, or maybe 3. Let me wait. I got to figure this out. Let me go on Google. I think it has 4 stomachs. Cow has 4 stomachs. Yes. A cow has 4 stomachs. People were like, but cows eat grass and they're vegetarian and they are big. But a cow has 4 stomachs. So the 4 stomachs are able to break down the grass for them to then, you know, get nutrients from. And they also have to eat a lot of fucking grass. Like, think how the cows are, they're eating all day, every day. Just eating grass all day. And then for a human, like, we don't want to eat all day. You don't need to. You don't want to. Like, you really want to be like fasting in between when you eat. You don't want to just be snacking all day. Even though my editors are eating gummy bears right now. It's his fault, not mine. I can't force everybody to be healthy around here. But yeah, it is funny because there are so many people out there that just have no fucking idea how it all works. Eggs are good in moderation. You have to watch out for the cholesterol. See, that's the big problem. Biggest misconception as well is good cholesterol in general is fine, right? Eat all the cholesterol you want because number one, that's how you create testosterone for men. Testosterone, the building blocks of testosterone is cholesterol. So if you're a vegan and you don't eat cholesterol, well, then you can't make the testosterone. So, I mean, I'm 36 years old. I have sex twice a day. I, make a lot of money. I can do workouts and run around and all that. So I feel like I'm pretty healthy. I don't know what the exact barometer is of what makes you healthy, but I feel like, if your body works, you must be healthy. Your brain equals cholesterol, correct? I mean, look at how big my fucking skull is. Like, I need a lot of cholesterol for this fucking brain. Twice a day? No, that's good. That's not even that. Whew, that ain't me. That ain't me. I keep refreshing my email and there's no lawsuit. This is bullshit. I was so excited to get a lawsuit today, live on YouTube, so I could read it out to everybody. Body needs cholesterol. No. Well, yeah, body needs cholesterol, but too much clogs your arteries. No, see, you need to live like a man. Stop being a little bitch. Burn the fat. Get your body into ketosis. You need to eat the fat and then your body burns the fat for energy. People think that if you go running, you're going to burn fat. You don't. If you want to burn fat, walk. Stop running. I see people at the gym that are fucking running. They're fat and they're running. I'm like, what are you doing? Put the fucking incline on and walk. Your body stores fat for food, for nutrients, for whatever power, when you're sedentary, when you're not working. That's the problem. People end up storing fat and they're burning carbs. If you're running, all you're doing is burning sugars. You're burning carbs. That's all you're doing. That's literally all you're wasting your time. Bro, I thought you were in your 50s. Get the fuck out of here. You didn't think shit. Go 50s your ass. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here, just jobbing around 880s, going nowhere quickly. Well, maybe kind of quickly now, moving down there through the 900s now. Previous day low down there at the 840s, or the overnight low here at the 840s now. We've got this pivot point down there, 20,774s. We had that lower high below the VWAP there. I mean, it don't look bad. It don't look bad. If it gets through, I'd say get through that 830, 840 level there and then work its way down there to that pivot point. You're right. Working out is necessary. Yeah, I work out every day. How do you think I look like this? Like a fucking Roman statue. A Greek god. A Greek god. I'm a Greek god. Oh yeah, what do I look like, Storm? What do I look? Yeah, exactly. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get gone. What's my personal record for benching? I have not hit a PR on the bench in so long. But like today, I did which is just 145. 90. What is that? Fuck, why is the math so hard? 890 plus 45, 130. What is 245? Fuck, why is the math so hard? I don't even know, man. Just I did some math today. 135, there you go. 135 for 12 reps, 5 sets, you know? Because right now I'm already so big. I'm trying to get a little bit more cut. But normally if I'm hitting a big set, I'll do like a 5x5 with 225. 225, 5x5. But it's been a long time since I've tried to max out. Maybe I should try to max out here. 135. I know, I was kidding. I make you all comment and then the YouTube makes me more money. The more that you guys comment, the more money I make. So when I say stuff on I ask you guys questions so that you comment, and then that way I make more money. I got to buy a new car. My Aventador blew up. I don't want to talk about it, but this is the Huracan, the STO. I'm actually going to sell this car, I think. Anybody want to buy it? $399, $420. I'm thinking around like $419, but if you bring me $399,000, I will sell it to you today. But that's only a one-day offer. Tomorrow, it's back to $420. Get a bench for the BDH. That's a pretty good idea, actually. Maybe get a little bench press contest every time somebody comes to the BDH, they got to hit the bench press. That could be good entertainment. A Bowflex? Oh, Ginger's got a Bowflex. That's what we're going to use. We're going to get a Bowflex in the BDH. Fucking Bowflex. I wonder how you're in such good shape, Ginger. Just Bowflexing.
No, it's
Oh, man. Bowflex. Booflex. All right, what time is it? 11 o'clock. Chipotle is officially opened, and it is time, baby. It is time. Squat challenge is better than the bench press? God, can't y'all just be happy? Just be happy for me. Now you want me to squat and the bench? People are never going to be happy. They'll never be happy. It's frustrating, man. Just want people to be happy for me. Damn it. Every time I see that I have a new email, I get excited. I go to click on it, nothing. Just spam. All right, this is exactly why I avoid trading at 11 o'clock. This is why I walk away, because look what's happening. Nasdaq just chopping around here, pushing back up there to the 21 EMA. Does it go lower? Maybe. But right now, I don't want to fuck with it. When the price is literally just sitting in the same level for 30 minutes, I don't like it. How many words per minute do you type? I don't know. Is there a website that tracks it? Yeah. All right, let me go see. Website for words per minute. Let's do a test. Ooh, we're gonna do a test. We're gonna do a text. We'll do it. Let me see. Okay, go dark mode. Start test. Oh fuck. This is hard to read and type. I can type way faster. Oh. Oof. Fuck. It's hard. I can do this live on YouTube because I got nothing to hide. You can see how fast I type. Other day traders would never do this, but me, I'll do it. Because I'm not afraid. God, my fingers hurt. OC, show your test results. What is this? What the fuck? I don't want no fucking Forester. What a scam. Why is it in Spanish?
Obtén tarifas especiales más bajas en un Subaru Forester nuevo durante el evento A Lot to Love de Subaru que ya comenzó.
Is that good? Average typist, 36. I did 54 words per minute. That was pretty good. I think that was pretty good. I'm gonna do it one more time. Let's do one more. Should I do easy text? Benchmark, 2 minutes. Oh, fuck. All right. Ugh. All right, we need some music here. That's what we need. Where's some music at? I need to, hold on one second. I gotta get my music going so I can, this has gotta be epic. Or wait, is it better to put the microphone right where I'm typing? That could be better actually. Let's do that. That's better. That people know it's real. All right, here we go. 2 minute test. Oh my God, it's gonna be hard. Ugh. All right. Oh, fuck. Oh. Fuck. This is like hard. I can type way faster if I'm not reading. I can't read. I went to school in Florida. Fuck. 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 Damn it. I don't think you can go back anyway. Fuck. Yeah, my fucking A. I mean, it's not terrible. 49 words. I think I can do fast. It's whatever. I mean, it's not terrible. I'm over the average. It's all that matters. I'm over the average. What do you mean it's terrible? The average is 30. I'm 49. How is that terrible? Danny edits his P&L better than my typing. Get out of here. Y'all are just haters. Y'all just a bunch of haters in the chat. Y'all just hating. I'm out here winning. You know, best typer in the world. I'm going to put that on my bio now. 49 words per minute. You've seen YouTubers doing 200 words per minute? What the fuck? That don't even make no sense. Don't be stupid now. Don't be stupid now. #1 typing day trader on YouTube. That's me. That is me. That is me. Let me see. 200 words per minute typing. Let's see how that looks. Look at this kid. I'm just as fast as this guy. I need a different keyboard. I don't have a very good keyboard for this. This is not like a very good typing keyboard, you know? I need like a different one. We're gonna have to upgrade, people. We're gonna, oh my God, 300 words per minute. He's cheating. The guy's cheating. They just sped it up. There's no way that's not real. He's just doing it for, nope, he's cheating. He's cheaping. He's cheating. Well, there it is, my friends. I'm gonna go to Chipotle because, well, it's time for that. And yeah, those words are way too easy. How fast was your golf string? It was only 133. It wasn't 233. It was only 133. I got confused. I thought it was 200. 100 miles an hour less. Oh man. All right, there it is. It's 11:10. The Nasdaq just chopping around here at Friday's close. I'm gonna lock it down. I'm gonna take my profit and I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. So I like it. I'm gonna lock it down and yeah. Mega Money Mondays, baby. We're doing it live from the BDH. That's how we do. I will see you guys later for Power Hour. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, what do we got? We got 1,000 likes here. Wow. It's always so great to see. Thanks for the support. And I'll see you guys later on today. Peace to the Middle East.